into your yard work without any worry wearing these shoes by Hunter. They feature a synthetic upper with a round toe silhouette and a wide open collar that has some stretch for easy slip-on. They have a casual and functional design, making them a great go-to pair for daily work in your garden, and they can be easily washed off to keep them nice and clean at all times. Inside, there is a soft textile lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. They have a sturdy and durable build that's made to last a long time, and you'll get a little boost in height from the block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable rubber outsole that is textured to give you the best grip. Make these your go-to pair for any yard work.